Alright, so I'm going to teach you how to solve the 3x3. So, I'm going to go ahead and mix it up. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find the white face. And then we're going to want to find, so these are edges. There's 12 of them on this side. There's 4 on each side. The corners, there's 8 of those. And the centers, there's 6 of them. So we're going to want to find the white center. And the first step we want to do is get the white cross. So it'll look like this. So you have these two as a pair, these two as a pair, these two as a pair, and these two as a pair, and then you have the cross, like this. So the next thing, let me mix it back up. So the first thing you want to do in this step is look at the white face and see how many edges you have in there. So in this case, we have 2. So we got pretty lucky here, and we can just turn the top to match up these 2. But let's say that you had just 1 edge or no edges. Then you would find an edge and then put it to the top. So this edge is in the top, it just needs to be flipped. So then you'd go like this, and that would flip it. Also, it helps if you know notation and how to solve a 2x2, but that is not required. So first thing we want to do is get the white cross. So we look for a pair or try and get a pair. So if the blue edge is here, you bring it over here and then put it up to the top, and then it's a line. You do the orange edge. If there's an edge here and you want to bring it up, but you don't want to wreck these edges, you bring one edge down and then bring this up and then bring it back. And then you would find the next edge and do that. So then you have the right cross. So the next thing we want to do is get this whole white face solved and the lines around it. So what we want to do is find a corner with white on it. So here's a corner with white on it. Once you find a corner, look at the other 2 colors. And in this case, it's green and orange. So then we would bring it in between the green and orange centers above there. And then we would do, with the green side facing us, if it was like, if this was orange and red, or you just face the left of the 2 in the front. And then you do R, U, R prime, U prime. And then you keep doing that until this corner is orientated right. R, U, R prime, U prime. 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 And then, as we see here, it's in the right place. Then, let's find the next corner. So here we have a blue and red and white. So you put it in between the 2 blue and red. And then do R, U, R prime, U prime. Like that. Next corner, green and red, do R, U, R prime, U prime. The last corner is like this, and then it's in the last spot. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. R, U, R prime, U prime. And that's where I'm going to stop here. I will make another video soon.